What do you call a tick on the moon? A lunatic.
What kind of plates do they use in space? Flying saucers.
Why didn't the sun go to college? Because he already had 1 million degrees.
Who was the first deer in space? Buck Rogers.
What's a light year? A regular year but with fewer calories. What do aliens who use the metric system say? Take me to your leader.
What do planets like to read? Comic books.
What's a spaceman's favorite chocolate? A Mars bar.
Why did Mickey Mouse go to outer space? He was looking for Pluto.
How do you know when the moon has enough to eat? When it's full.